Keep beats. Keep beats.
We have Logan here from our Fort Lauderdale club, Le Bear. Hi, Logan.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. So I have a couple questions for you. One, what are some of your hobbies?
I like reading and working out.
That's good. And you seem pretty fit. Do you have any workout tips that you could recommend to any of us?
Ooh, I'd say first start off by getting a journal and then writing everything down. By doing that, you're able to keep track of your progress.
All right, that sounds good. And last, if you could visit any place in this world, where would you go and why?
I'd go to Colombia to work on my Spanish.
That's So Logan, do you have any messages for the ladies out there?
Yeah, come out, check us out at the Fort Lauderdale location. Bye-bye.
Our man, Julian. Get ready all the way from Brooklyn, New York. Andy. Our man, half Dominican, half Italian. Yankee. Get ready, our hometown hero, Christian. Our man from Japan, Part-Time. Get ready, our man with the washboard abs, Keanu. Get ready, the sexiest man of 2012, Jacob.